Hey Beauty Glam sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello to the new Beauty Glam sisters, welcome to my channel. My name is Danny MUA, and today I'm going to be creating a look using these two. One's going to be today, and the other one's going to be next week, so stay tuned to watch the video for this one. Today I'm going to be doing the chocolate one. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big like, share this video, and continue being a Beauty Glam sister. I appreciate every single last one of you Beauty Glam sisters. Alright, let's get started. First off, I'm going to use this Morphe eyelid primer, and I'm only going to grab a little bit, that much. I'm going to use both my fingers. One on this side, some on this side, and blend them out. Okay, now that we're blended in, I'm going to start off with the chocolate one. It's by CoverGirl, it's new, and it smells like chocolate. Let's open this bad boy up. I can't open this. Alright, so these are the colors. It doesn't have names on it, but I think if I take this little tab in the back, it'll give me the names. Or lift here it says. Oh, and it does give me a list of the names. Oh. Okay. It goes from Loaded, Crave, Milk Chocolate, Belgium, Gourmet, Licked, Chocolate Shake, and Cocoa at the bottom. So the first color I'm going to use is this one right here. The second one, which is Crave. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this one with the Morphe M504, and I'm going to go all over the lid with this one as a base. And it does smell like chocolate, I smell it. Alright, now that I did that, I'm going to grab my Morphe M573, and I'm going to go in with this brown color right here, which is Milk Chocolate, the third one down. And I'm going to use that as a transition color. Smells really good. Now I'm hungry. Now I want chocolate. Now that we look like this, and next with my Morphe R39, I'm gonna go in with the last color on this thing, which is Cocoa, and I'm gonna put that on the crease. Just buff it out, blend, blend, blend. Now that it looks like that, I'm gonna go and grab my Morphe 421, and I'm gonna go in with Soft Ochre from MAC, and we're gonna do a cut crease. I'm gonna go again with my Morphe R39. I'm gonna go in with that plum color, so I can blend the corners right here in. I'm gonna go in right here, the inner lid. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab this color right here, the Chocolate Shake, with my Morphe M513, and I'm gonna go and fill in where I did the cut crease. now that it looks like this, I'm gonna go in one more time with my R39 and buff it out just a tad bit. Okay, now that I did that, I'm still gonna use the R39, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the darker color, and I'm just gonna grab a little bit and put it in the outer corners to give it a little depth. Right, so now I'm going to grab my Morphe E18, and I'm going to go in with the top color, which is Crave, as an inner highlight. And with the same E18, I'm going to go highlight the brow bone a tad. So I'm going to grab the same brush that I started with, this one, which is the Morphe 504, and buff that out. Okay, now that I buffed that out, I'm going to go in with the little pencil brush. Or I'm going to go with my new brush, which is the Morphe M515, and I'm going to go in, I feel throw a different color at the bottom. So I'm going to go with the last green one because that's like my favorite color. And that one is Loaded. And I'm going to go under the eye. Oh, it's pretty. It looks green on the pan, but it looks black on at the bottom. I'm going to grab the Morphe E18 again. And I'm going to go in with that light color once again and just touch up right there. Okay. Now that it looks like that, I'm going to go in with the liner. I'm going to use the Morphe M250-1 from the Laura Lee bundle. And I'm going to go in with the Morphe liquid liner in Jet. Oh, it's brand new, see, it's not even open yet. And I'm going to do a wing eye. I always get this eye right and the other one wrong all the time. But I'm going to try my best to get it the same. Look at that wing. Now that I did the eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the Kiss Corset lashes. Oh, I look so pretty. I look like model. Now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star I'm Shook. Okay. Alrighty, Beauty Glam sisters, that completes the look. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big like, share this video, and continue being a Beauty Glam sister. I appreciate every single last one of you Beauty Glam sisters. Alright, Beauty Glam sisters, so this is the one that I used, which was the chocolate one. It does smell like chocolate, if I could open it. Yeah, it smells like chocolate. I use these 3 colors, or maybe 4. Wait. I use mostly all of them. I use this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. The only ones I didn't use were these 2. But let's watch them for you so you can see how they are, if they're pigmented. They're pigmented. Stay tuned for next week. Next week I'm gonna be doing the Peach Punch by CoverGirl. Smells like peaches. Can't wait to try this one out. Alright, Beauty Glam sisters, till next time. Bye.